Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted in a really long time, so today I just thought, I was like, you know what, let me share with these guys how I tint my eyebrows at home. If you're new on my channel, my name is Cindy C, where I make self-care and cooking videos, and if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. So these eyebrows are not filled in whatsoever. These are like the already tinted eyebrows. So I'm going to show you guys how I tinted them. So let's jump right in this video. So first thing, I outlined my brows with this brown eyebrow pencil. Then I'm going to be using a beard dye. It's in the dark brown color. And this henna right here that's there. The men's beard dye comes with the developer and the base. And you have to use it in the ratio 1:1. So you use the same amount of each. And you need like a small brush and of course like a tray where you're gonna mix everything. As you can see, I'm gonna put 1:1 of each, the developer and the base, and just mix. And I just put a little bit of henna, not to be exact, I didn't really measure, but I just made sure I had a paste that wasn't runny and a paste that also wasn't like too thick. So I just want it to be like in the middle right there. Yeah. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to my brows carefully, just in the middle or where I haven't like put the eyebrow pencil, and I'll just put everything right there. On a cloud with you like horizon, with you tonight is on a island. So just in case you're wondering why I'm using two dyes, like the henna and the beard dye, that's because I have very thin eyebrows, and I tried to use the beard dye alone one time, it didn't work, and I also tried to use like henna on its own, it never worked. So it was only after I had tried mixing the two and it worked that last time. So I just thought of sharing with you guys, just in case you're one of the people who's like me who doesn't have eyebrows, yeah, because this is really a lifesaver. Do me a favor guys and like this video whilst you watch, and also don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and leave me comments down below. It really helps to grow my channel guys. I really thank you for keeping on watching my videos, and yeah, get me to 500 subscribers now. It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Really having this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. Really having this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? Really having it place on earth. Take you there, take you. wanted my eyebrows to have a very natural finish, like especially at the front. I didn't want to have that box look, so I made sure to apply the dye at the front of the eyebrows towards the end of application. I didn't like apply like the dye at the beginning of application. And I went ahead and got a Q-tip and softened the front, like just, you know, thinning the dye to make sure that it doesn't appear to be so bold. And yeah, that's what I did. Then I also went ahead and removed like the excess dye that was, you know, coming off the outlined area that I had marked with the eyebrow pen. So you're gonna see me do that. Continue watching. So another thing that I wanted to tell you guys is make sure the dye doesn't go on your nails if you've got nails, because they're gonna get stained. One of my nail got stained, but it usually just comes off like in like a day or two. But just to make sure, if you're, you know, not trying to get your nails stained, make sure you're careful with the dye. On a cloud with you like horizon, with you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Found you. So time to remove the dye now. I think I left it on for about 40 minutes or so because I had called my sister. I talked to her for a really long time and the dye actually even dried out. I'm just using a cotton pad and I just wet it with cold water and I just, you know, wiped the dry dye off. And I did the same on the other side, and I also got a brush to just make sure that I don't have any dye stuck to my eyebrows. I just combed it through and yeah, wiped again to just make sure it's good. I really like how they turned out. I'll give you guys a closer look towards the end, so make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to like this video again just in case you forgot. So this is how they turned out, guys. As you can see, I really like the results. Like, I don't have eyebrows at all, so this is really a lifesaver. I can just now wake up in the morning, wash my face and go outside without getting eyebrow pencil and try to fill them in. I really like this. Look at that. They look so natural looking to me, so I didn't want them to be too dark or maybe too light, so I like the color. It's like, you know, a good dark brown. Look at that. Oh my goodness, they look really good. I love this.